Alright, so the next question here is on model drawing. Eric had 192 stickers, more than Leon at first. After Eric gave away 250 stickers and Leon bought another 168 stickers, Leon had 3 times as many stickers as Eric. What is the total number of stickers the two boys had at first? So to do this question, we can draw a model to understand what's happening at first. So Eric and Leon. So Eric will be 192 more. So we draw one box here and an additional 192 over here. And as for Leon, it's just one box like that. Okay, this is at first. Now Eric gave away 250 stickers. Okay, so he will give away this part plus a little bit more stickers. Okay, how much more? Let's calculate. 250 minus 192. 58 stickers. Okay, so this 58 we'll put it here in this smaller box here. And we trace downwards as well. Over here will be 58 also. Alright, so this part, bear in mind, it is given away by Eric, so this is no more there in the after scenario. Okay, now next up, Leon bought another 168 stickers. So for Leon, he added to his collections another 168 stickers. And because of that, Leon had 3 times as many stickers as Eric. So these new amounts of stickers for Leon will be 3 units. And this new amount of stickers for Eric will be 1 unit, right? Remember, Eric gave away this part. It's no longer there. So what's left is just this 1 unit. 1 unit. Alright, so from here we can clearly see that the difference in these two models, 3 minus 1 will be 2 units. And over here we'll take on a value of 2 units. Alright, so what's 2 units? 2 units is 58 plus 168. And that will be 226, 226 stickers. We find 1 unit then. 226 divided by 2, 113 stickers. Okay, question is what's the total number of stickers the two boys had at first? Which essentially means 1 unit plus 58 plus 192 for Eric. Alright. And for Leon, 3 units. Take away that 168 because he didn't have this 168 at first. Okay, so let's find for Eric first. Eric at first had that 1 unit plus 58 plus 192. 113 plus 58 plus 192, that will be 363. That's what Eric had at first. And actually for Leon, you can just take away that 192 because Eric had 192 more than Leon at first. So we can straight away find Leon's one as well. So 363, take away 192. 171. And we total them up to achieve our final answer. 363 plus 171 to give us a grand answer of 534 stickers at first.